Wednesday. I have decided I'm going to tick a few things off my major cleaning, organizing to-do list. I would like to get in and clean out the fridge. So if you're looking for a sign to clean your fridge, this is it. And then I also have the end cupboard up the top that's full of all of my glasses and mugs and whatnot, and it's an absolute mess. So I'd like to get in and organize that. I'm just making myself an iced coffee. It's decaf, otherwise I would have the Starbucks one that I have in the fridge, but I want decaf because I've already had 2 coffees today. I do not need another one. You might be wondering what it is that I'm doing. I had someone question why I put water into my coffee. It's essentially an Americano. I always order Americanos, a little bit of milk in it, and I do hot, cold, whatever, the same each way, and that's just the way I like my coffee. I'm making this little one, and I'm just gonna jump straight in and start cleaning out the fridge, and I'm gonna put it all here, clean and scrub all the shelves and all that, so let's do it. I realized I should have unpacked the dishwasher before I started because I have some dishes that need to be put elsewhere so I can use the sink to clean all the shelves. This little pile here is some of the food that has started to go bad and it's not so good, or the yogurts are out of date. I hate wasting food, but it is so hard when you are living alone and just as a single person, because nothing in supermarkets is designed for it. And then if you go out for dinner last minute or something, I find that food wastage is much easier when you're living alone, and I don't like it. But I am glad that it is kind of a smaller amount because it could be worse. Step 1 complete. The shelves are clean. I have been using this little Scrub Daddy sponge. I think this is a viral TikTok sponge. I don't know, I saw it over there. I've been uploading TikToks basically every day, but I thought I would give this a go. I actually got this one from Canadian Tire, but I have Amazon storefronts with all of my cleaning products. So these spray bottles, the cloths that I use, basically all of my cleaning stuff, I have that listed down the bottom, as well as a bunch of like other things that I own, like kitchen related appliances and just things that you can get on Amazon. So I will have that all listed down below, but I actually really like this. It's like really soft and squishy in warm water, but it's a little bit harder and more stiff in cold water. Interesting product. TikTok got me onto it, but I am now going to clean out the top of this shelf here, and then I'll pull all the drawers out.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
my teeth whitening thing is like gross now. You know how they're supposed to say you're supposed to keep teeth whitening stuff in the fridge? Probably pretty gross. I was about to say I have a bunch of ketchup packets. I feel like since I live here, I just pick up the language that everybody uses, because if I go out to a restaurant and I order tomato sauce, no one knows what I'm talking about. And then I have a blue cheese dressing thing, but they kind of need a wash. Anyways, the point that I was trying to make is that I bought these things called Food Huggers off Amazon, and they're linked under the kitchen section on my stores. But you're supposed to like put it over the end of food that's already been cut, or like over a jar. This one I think might be too small for this onion, and that's why it keeps coming off. If I do it on this one, yeah, okay, I just needed to use the big one because that small one just kept popping off, but I think this one's good. And then I just put it in the fridge like that, and it keeps it fresh, which I'm very excited about. So I'll put that away, clean those, and throw out my teeth whitening, and we're pretty much good to go. And we're all done. It's nice and clean, it's organized. My fridge is never really that full because, as I said, I just really don't like food wastage. So I try not to buy too much at once, but I have my drawers with my fruit and my vegetables, which I'm really happy about. There's my little onion with its food hugger thing. And I have some sauce bottles, snacks, eggs, some drinks up the top. Literally nothing in those two except for those little sauce packets, which I don't even know why I keep those. And then coffee, milk, water, and barbecue sauce. And that's pretty much it. So that is something that I'm very happy that I can tick off my to-do list. I'm taking a break and I'm going to do some potatoes in my air fryer, make myself some lunch. My air fryer needs to be cleaned. So once I've finished, we're gonna clean this as well. But this is my new little cooking hack. If I know I'm gonna be doing stuff in a frying pan as well as the air fryer, I just put the oil in the frying pan, mix up my vegetables, and then I can put them straight into the air fryer. And then they're gonna be perfectly cooked, and I don't have to worry about oiling up another bowl or another container or anything like that. So I like it. And then I think I'm gonna cook some steak in here, and then I should do something else, but I don't know what else. Maybe just make a salad. Lunch is served. I made a little salad. I've got my potatoes and my steak. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. This is probably more of a dinner meal, but I tend to eat sort of dinner in the middle of the day, and then I have something a bit lighter for dinner. I'm starving. I'm gonna finish this, and then we can clean the entire kitchen. Lunch is done. It is time to clean this kitchen. It's so fresh in here now. I love it. I always love it when my kitchen is clean. One thing I did though was put all of my clean mugs and cups here because this little cupboard up here is just really, really full. And I don't know how I ended up with so many cups and mugs, but this whole thing is just, it's not working. I feel like maybe there's some space up the back there that I'm not using, but I'm gonna pull everything out and reorganize this cupboard.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
I've pulled everything out and tried to organize it. So I have a couple of travel things, like these ones are coffee cups. This is a tumbler. I have my small glasses. I have these 2 glasses that I got in a gift bag from somewhere. Literally never used them. I have 4 drinking glasses, and then just in here I have a tea thing and then a couple of mason jar lids. And then I have this ridiculous collection of coffee mugs. I just don't even know how I ended up with this many, and I think I have a couple in the dishwasher as well right now. Some of these I never ever use, and I feel like I should display them just up on the shelves with that green one up there because they're pretty and I like them, and then that way if I ever really, really want to use them, I can take them down and clean them. But I think that they would be better off being display mugs, like this one for example. That should be on display. That's a Christmas mug, so I guess it could go in the Christmas collection. And what else was I just thinking of in terms of display mugs? I don't know. But then I thought also maybe I should declutter and give some a new home. Like, I don't really love this one. It's a Christmas one, but I don't use it a lot. So anyway, I don't know how this happened, but here we are. I also have a few different mason jars, and then I had some vitamins and some Tylenol up there. I have a shot glass, these ramekins, and then this dessert bowl thing that may all need new homes somewhere else, maybe down in this cupboard. But yeah, now I have to figure out how to fit everything up in there.
Love a little louder.
managed to reorganize everything. I've got my few favorite mugs here at the front that I always use. I have some of the seasonal stuff at the back and then these two seasonal ones up there, but there's actually still room behind the mason jars. So there's plenty of room to fit things in and it's so much more organized. And then I put a bunch of my other mugs up here. I kind of hate it, like I don't love it, but for now it's all I can think of and I'm just gonna leave it like that. One thing I really need to do is water my plants and I use my teapot to do that, but it's actually been a few days. He's starting to look droopy. In fact, I think they're all looking pretty droopy, so let's do this. It's a couple of days later. That cupboard has remained nice and neat and organized and I'm really happy about it. I need to do some serious clothes washing today. I never usually let it go more than a couple of days between doing a load of washing and I swear it's been over a week since I've did any black clothes and I want to wash what I'm wearing but I can't because I literally don't have anything else to wear, so I am going to just wash whatever's there and save this for the next one. And I also did a light load the other day that needs to be put away, so I'm gonna do that first and then I'm also gonna make my bed because I haven't even done that yet.
Into the background, I'm wide awake now. You keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
This clock doesn't even have batteries in it. I have had it for so long and I've just never put batteries in it. It's just pretty, but I really should make it more functional, I suppose. Anyway, all clean on this side of my room. This side, not so much. It's always been a mess. It's never ever felt neat and organized in here. I feel like during the pandemic, I lost my style. I became so used to wearing basically what I'm wearing now, just t-shirts and gym leggings, that I didn't really know what to buy and what pieces to put together, and I lost it. And I'm just starting to get it back. I'm finding my groove again. And for months now, I've been wanting to organize my wardrobe. I just haven't really been in the right place, but I think it's something I'm gonna do very, very soon. I just have a lot of mismatched pieces and I wanna find my style again and get it all back. So that's a project I have to do very, very soon. Let me know if you guys would like to do it with me. It might be nice. Maybe I could do it as a live and we could go through my wardrobe together. That might be fun. Maybe we could do that on Friday. Like this Friday coming. Does anyone wanna hang out on live and go through my wardrobe with me? That might be fun. I feel like a live would be really cool. Would that be something that everybody's interested in? Like this Friday, we get on live, we can declutter my wardrobe together, and then you can all share your opinions and tell me what you think, and then I don't have to do it alone. That might be really fun because I do want to do a live stream this Friday, so maybe we could do like a wardrobe declutter live. That would be really cool. Yeah, I really want to do that. Let me know what you think, but I definitely will be doing a live on Friday afternoon. I am going to hang out the clothes washing now, and then I don't know, I might wrap this up here as a cleaning motivation because I sort of started filming another video today, so I've got all these videos coming out. We're gonna be making lots of content on YouTube, so yeah, let's just go do this washing. I know it's been ages since I've done my clothes washing because this rack does not have a spare spot on it. My bikinis are hanging from the edges. I've got clothes, I've got socks and things all tucked in all the spare gaps. I don't think I should have washed this with the dark stuff. It kind of accidentally slipped in there, but that's fine. Anyways, it's done. I'm now gonna have lots of clean clothes. That is me done for the day. I hope you've enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. Let me know how you feel about a live on Friday decluttering my wardrobe. I'm actually kind of looking forward to it because I've also been procrastinating on it because I didn't want to do it alone. I wanted some opinions to help me make decisions on some of the pieces that I own. So let me know if that's something you would want to do on Friday. Anyway, I hope you are having a fantastic start to the week, and I will see you really, really soon.